Get the perfect cat eye look within minutes. Starting with eyeliner, this here is liquid liner with a perfect pointy tip. You want to start at the end of your eye. When lining your eye, be sure not to pull or tug on your skin. I recommend you just close your eyes and keep looking at a mirror if you think you've messed up. And use a fast flicking motion. Patiently go over the lining and fill it in. I usually do this at the last step of my eye makeup so that the lining lasts much longer. My advice is to take constant short breaks and just go back and go over your eye. If you didn't understand, which most people might not, here's a more detailed version. Here are the results. If you were able to use these tips and tricks, please do give this video a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Until my next video, goodbye.